Heptabase tutorial for beginners. Hello, hope you're doing good. I'm your host Jason. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to set up and use Heptabase, a powerful visual note-taking and knowledge management tool designed to help you organize your thoughts, research, and projects efficiently. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to take structured and linked notes, create mind maps and Kanban boards, organize research and documents visually, and collaborate on projects efficiently. The first thing you want to do is go onto heptabase.com. From there, you can tap on Start your 7-day free trial. Once you have done that, you'll be redirected to a page just like this, and you can select Build Monthly or Build Yearly. Then you're going to tap right where you see Start your free trial. After you have done that, from there you can fill in your information. After you have done that, you will tap right here. You can either choose to download it on your device, or you can tap on Continue and Web instead. So that's what I did. Once you have done that, you can enter your name. So I'll enter my name right here. Then you're going to tap on Continue. After selecting Continue, what is your main purpose for using Heptabase? You can select whichever one of these options. So let's say, for example, I want to plan and reflect on my life, sorting out my thoughts and emotions. Which of the following tools have you been using? And you can select whichever one of these you have used in the past, as you can see right here. So let's say, for example, I've used this one before, so I can select that. Where did you hear about Heptabase? You can select whichever one of these options. Then you will tap on Continue. After selecting Continue, you're just going to give it a few seconds. And from there, you'll be redirected to your Heptabase dashboard. So you can see right here. And we can simply tap on Continue, Continue, Continue from right there. Then you can select right here and you can tap on Start. Then choose a language for your tutorial notes. We're going to select English. After selecting English, you're going to give it a few seconds. And then from there, you can see we'll tap on OK. And that's it. Double click to open your first whiteboard. So you're going to double click right there. After you have double click right there, you will be redirected to your first whiteboard. From here, you're just going to go over to the top right hand corner, tap on the three dots. Then we're going to tap on Delete. So we want to delete this. So we'll tap on Delete permanently. Now, once you have deleted the sample map, all I want you to do is go over to the top right hand corner and you're going to tap on the icon that says New Whiteboard. After you have created your new whiteboard, as you can see right here, you're just going to go over to the top left hand corner and you're going to tap on Show Sidebar. After tapping on Show Sidebar, you can tap on the plus, and from here you can either choose to add notes, PDF, video, image, or audio. So let's say, for example, we were to select note and I'm just going to give it an heading. So let's say, for example, create tutorial. I could type that in right here. Then after doing that, I can add some basic information. So I could add information right there about it. And I'm just going to tap on the icon that looks like a fold out map. And you can see add this to whiteboard. So I've added the heading right there. After you have added the notes heading, from there you can add different information related to that tutorial. So let's say, for example, we were to go over to the top left hand corner once more and I were to tap on New. Then from there I would like to add a sample video. So let's say I would like to add a video for inspiration. I could tap on video, then I could tap on Add Link, and I could, for example, add a YouTube video link right here. So let's say we were to go onto YouTube real quick. And I'm just going to be copying one of these videos. So let's say, for example, say this one right here. We could tap on the three dots. Then from there, I could tap on Share. After doing that, I'm just going to copy this link. Then we'll go back and we're going to paste the link right there. And we'll tap on Add to Whiteboard. Then we'll tap on Done. And you can see that it has been added right there. So you can see right there. So this has been added. And you can also connect it. So I could tap right there and we'll connect this to that. So everything is leading up to creating a tutorial. So we'll be watching this sample video to create the tutorial. And I could go over to the top left hand corner once more, tap on the plus. And from there, if I would like to add notes, I could do that. If I would like to add a PDF, I could do that. And once you're finished creating your map, you can go over to the top right hand corner and you could tap on share, and from here you could share it with different individuals, or you could choose to publish it. So let's say for example I'm working with a team to create my videos, and I would like to share my video ideas and I would like them to give an input. This is a beautiful way to do it, as you'll be creating everything visually right here, and everybody can add in their own input. By tapping on share, they'll be able to add in their own input also. And you can also use Heptabase for journaling. By going over to the left hand menu option, we could tap on journal, and it will automatically open our journal, and from here you can select the day. Then you could type in whatever you would like to add in your journal. So you could type in whatever you want right here. So I could type in tests, for example. Then you can add more information if you want. So you can see right there, you can add information to your journal. If we were to go over to the left hand menu option once more, from here you can tap on card library. And this is where you'll be able to see all of the information that you have added to your whiteboard. And you can also see some sample cards that come with Heptabase, as you can see right here. So you can select whichever one of these options you want. So let's say I would like to use this one. I can tap on it and I'll be able to watch the video that I've added. Or if I wanted to read the note, I could tap right there and I can read the note. And a good way how to stay organized, you could use tags for your notes and so on. So you can create different hashtags, and that will help Heptabase to keep all of your information organized. And that's basically it when it comes onto Heptabase. If it is a case that you would like to continue with their paid plan, you can tap on the settings cog in the top left hand corner. After tapping on the settings cog, you could select subscription, and from there you will see your subscription. If it's a case that you would like to not continue with their free trial, you can tap on manage subscription. After tapping on manage subscription, you're going to be redirected to a new page. Once on this new page, you'll be able to cancel subscription by tapping on cancel subscription right there. So if that's the case, you can cancel your subscription. And you can also tap on connections right here, and you will see other platforms that you can connect, for example Readwise. And if we were to tap on general, you will be able to change it from light to dark mode. And you can also tap on space settings, and this is where you'll basically give your space a different name so you can create different workspaces. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. This was just a quick overview of Heptabase and what you can expect. Thanks for watching.